Here's the app called PETFINDER. Adopt a pet. Find pets to adopt near you. So you can just tap get to install it. So quickly find pets near you. See matches based on compatibility. Filter your results. Save and share favorites. Poll friends on which pet to get. Find your forever. So that's the idea. Ready to find your forever. Pet Finder makes it easy to adopt a dog, a cat, or find other friends in this category. So yeah, you can just adopt pet super easily. And this app has almost 50,000 ratings. And it's built by Nestle because they're kind of promoting Purina product. And then yeah, you can just sign in with Apple. So as you can see, you just kind of sign in to purina.com. And then yeah, you can then just enter what type of owner are you. So then you can select all of these different filters, and that's basically then you can see the results. So here you can see all the cats in the category where you can then just adopt it. I don't know how updated is this app and where you can include the search results. So something like that. So you can see 100,000 results, a lot of cats, and then you can just see on the map where you can have it. And then as you can see, this is mostly in US. So you can just see in which shelters it's available. Yeah, so for example, in here, then you can just see all these shelters, and seems the shelters are just feeding their data in this app, but a lot of this data is quite outdated. So yeah, there you have it.